Welcome to Media. I am your host, Nkiruoh. I hope you all are doing great. We welcome both our returning subscribers and the new ones. For the new ones, join the family, relax, and check out our other videos. I guarantee you will not be disappointed. In our last video, I shared how to make popcorn at home, and I promised to show you how to roast peanuts at home. Peanut goes so well with popcorn. And if you make your peanut at home, you have control of additives. If you eat home roasted peanuts, you will not want to eat peanuts from the store ever again. Without wasting time, come on, let's the roasting begin. I will show you two methods: how to roast it in your microwave and how to roast peanuts in the oven. Let's do it. The first way of roasting peanuts at home is in the oven. If you're roasting a large quantity, you're better off doing it in the oven. But if you are roasting a small quantity, then you do it in the microwave. Today, I'm going to roast 3 pounds of peanuts. 3 pounds. So the first thing you do, you heat your oven to 425 degrees. And then you put the peanuts on a foil pan, sprinkle some water, turn it, just sprinkle water. And put it in the oven. I want to set the cooking time for 45 minutes. So, cooking time, 45 minutes. We'll be checking it from time to time so that it won't get burnt. So this is the peanut in the oven. You keep turning intermittently because you don't want it to get burnt. After about 25 minutes, our peanuts are almost done. Stir it again and give it some more time to be ready, to be well roasted. We use the microwave when we are roasting a small quantity of peanuts. It depends on the wattage of your microwave. If it's high wattage, you start with 2 minutes or 3 minutes. If it's not high wattage, you start with 4 minutes. It takes about 5 minutes to roast peanut in the microwave, but don't add 5 minutes at a time, at a stretch. If you do, your peanuts will all get burnt. So this is the peanut. Put it on a flat plate like this. Sprinkle water and turn it. It's easy, it's quick. I don't add salt to my peanut. I don't like too much salt. After 4 minutes, the peanut is not ready yet. It's not yet ready, so you turn. And add additional 1 minute. This took a total of 5 minutes to be roasted. And like I said, don't put 5 minutes at a stretch. Your peanuts will all get burnt. Put 4 minutes and then 1 minute. It's still not crunchy yet. It will get crunchy when it cools off. If you eat it now, when it hasn't cooled off, it will be a little bit soft. But it's done, it's roasted. When it gets cool, it will become crunchy. Let me show you the one that has already cooled off. This one. If you eat this one, it's crunchy because it's already cooled off. But this just came out from the microwave, so it will get crunchy eventually. Remember, we set the oven for 45 minutes. The peanuts were roasted by 35 minutes, so we didn't utilize the whole 45 minutes. And this is the product. Oven roasted peanuts. I don't use salt, it's up to you. If you want to add salt, just a little pinch of salt. But I don't add salt because fresh peanut is already sweet, so I don't add salt. Try it. I bet you will like it. Share this video with your family and friends. Until next video, this is Nkiruoh, wishing you the best through life. Cheers and stay blessed. Bye-bye.